Electronic displacement effects. In this video, I'm going to be explaining why we need to study electronic displacement effects, what is the importance of these effects in reaction mechanism, and how to use it in organic chemistry. This is more important if you know these applications and where you have to use exactly these things. Then, if you know these things, we can solve any level of the question that JEE, NEET, board doesn't matter. This, okay. In our syllabus, 11th and 12th, we have too many organic reactions. If you know how to apply these things, you don't want by head anything. Just if you know type of reaction, for example, electrophilic substitution reaction, if you know that one means you can study 11th and 12th together. I'm going to make in future that type of videos for you people. Okay. So first our target, how to apply these things, where to apply. That's if you know, very easy to study organic chemistry, then you can solve any question without negative marks. But I got very bad answers from my previous students. Ask that one JE repeaters and NEET repeaters, why you have to study these displacements? They said very silly answers. Okay, for marks purpose, we have to study, sir. We don't know the things. So we don't even. I got most of the answers. Why they have to study these things? They don't know that is. If you know these applications, we can study very well. After I thought again basics, how to study, how to apply, then they got very good score in JE and NEET. That is secondary. So in this video, I am going to be explain with your 10th basics how to and where to use these things. I'm giving only where to use these things. That's the point I'm going to be explaining by using 10th basics. I'm explaining this purely for who came for 10th to 11th standard, who are going to be start organic chemistry for them. This is. Try to see up to end of this video. So displacement of electrons within the same molecule is known as electronic displacement. This effect affects the stability of species or compound, and it is also affect acidic and basic strength. So we'll see that one, how this is going to be affect. So stability they given that one. Yeah, 10th standard, too many things. One basic reaction, addition reaction, CH2 double one H2 in presence of nickel or PT or PD. Then we are getting product hydrogen, CH2 hydrogen, alkane. Okay, this we call ethane. You know that one. So same thing I'm going to take here CH double one CH2 plus H2. So we get product here. But which is more reactive towards hydrogenation? First one or second one? And how to explain? You done only this example in 10th standard, but now I am increasing different type of compounds. So which is more reactive for hydrogenation? How to explain? All these things we can get by knowing electron displacements. And even one more reaction, you know that one. Dehydration of alcohols. CH3, CH2OH in presence of concentrated H2SO4. I think you got it product alkene CH2 double one CH2 plus H2. Very clear this is. From constant I am taking this equation. If I am taking here CH3 CH CH2 OH CH3. Same I am taking concentration of H2SO4 only I am taking concentration of H2SO4 I am using here. What is the products? We'll get only one product or two product, which is major product, which is minor product. How to decide? I have here two chances. Double bond CH, CH2, CH3, one chance. And again other chance CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH3. Here I have two chances. But which is major product? I can remove this OH and hydrogen from here, or I can remove hydrogen here. Two chances. But which is major product? Why? How to decide this is? We can decide by knowing electronic effects. Anyway, this is major product. we can decide by knowing electronic effects. And very simple reaction, one more reaction, esterification. C2H5 OH plus CH3 COOH. This is also from your NCRT book. We may can take in presence of H plus acetic medium. I'm getting a product ester COO C2H5OH. Sorry, C2 plus COO C2H5 plus H2O. Here my question is, from where I am getting OH? From OH from acetic acid or alcohol? How to know that one? If you know electronic effects and reaction mechanism, I can explain very clearly. Got it? And acidic character, basic characters. We have too many acids. Formic acid, we have that one. Acetic acid. And this is benzoic acid. We are going to learn 11th. Okay. So which is more acidic, how to decide? Which is more acidic, how to decide? This is we can find out by knowing electronic effects. Even basic characters we can decide is very easily. R NH2. R means alkyl. You know that one, ethyl, methyl. And ammonia. You can take aniline. Which is more basic? Lone pair donor is called base, which can donate easily lone pair of electron. How to decide? All these things we can explain by knowing electronic effects. So my intensity, you have to understand intensity of importance of electronic effects. I'm not explaining all these things. We'll discuss later. This is not easy to explain within one video also. By knowing each effect perfectly, then you can find out. So now I'm here explaining types of electron displacements. Electron displacement effects are divided in two types. One is permanent effect and temporary effect. And permanent effects are given here list of the term: inductive effect, mesomeric effect, hyperconjugation. These are inductomeric effect, electromeric effect. Permanent effects, why you call these are, this can shows in presence of reagent or under absence of reagent also. But if these can show only in presence of reagent, only in presence of reagent. That's why these are temporary effect. If you remove that reagent, they can't show this effect. But permanent effects, they can show in presence of reagent or not. Reagent means which is more reactive and which is attacking the substance. That's we call reagent. I've given in previous video also. So I hope you understood importance of electronic displacement and effects. Next video we can study inductive effect onwards, each effect and their importance and applications. Everything we are going to discuss in coming videos. Thank you very much. If you like, try to subscribe and share it. Thank you.